Hey guys, so I wanted to do a voiceover here for this grocery haul from Harris Teeter. So I went ahead and picked up some of the Silk Almond Milk yogurts. I got some vanilla, and then I wanted to try this dark chocolate coconut, and then I got a strawberry here. We needed some more orange juice, so I picked up some orange juice. These were on sale. They were like 3 for $10 or something, except the strawberries. So I got blueberries. I did get strawberries. I got a berry medley, and I got a cherry berry blend. So I picked those up for like smoothies, and I like to put frozen fruit in my oatmeal. Yes, I know, it is so early for these. These are not vegan. If it'll focus, as you can see, they have egg in them, but my son has been talking about Halloween cookies, so I picked those up for him. He really likes those. Anyway, yeah, so he really likes these Halloween pumpkin cookies. And then I picked up some of these Nature's Path organic waffles. I got the buckwheat wild berry, and then I also picked up the home style just to have on hand. And then I picked up some more French toast sticks. These were on sale. They were like buy one get one free, I believe. So I just went ahead and picked up 2 of those for Jackson. Yeah, so those are for him. He really likes those French toast sticks. I got 2 things of the Pop-Tarts. They were also on sale. And then some Cheerios for him. And then these, I really like these. So I picked up these chicken nuggets. I got some more of the Beyond sausage. You guys, this stuff is delicious. So definitely a good one. I got some trash bags for the kitchen. I picked up some, just some popcorn kernels. And then I got some of the Dave's Killer Bread burger buns done right. These are their white burger buns. Are really good. And then I wanted to try these. These were on Ibotta. So I went ahead and grabbed these English muffins. A huge thing of portobello mushroom caps. I got 2 packs of corn for Jackson. He really loves corn. This huge thing of ginger. And then some strawberries. Look how big this thing is. Huge. And then I got some kale and some sugar snap peas. Jackson really likes these. And then just some cherry or grape tomatoes down there. I got 2 packs of the cremini mushrooms. And then broccoli was buy one get one free, so I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. I usually buy the broccoli crowns, but these were on sale, so I got those. And then I got some Yukon Gold potatoes. So that is everything that I picked up from Harris Teeter for the week. I found some pretty good deals there. I think that's how I'm going to shop there from now on, is just shopping their deals. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.